Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless.
Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing good. In today's makeup tutorial, I'm going to use the Face Shop Chia Seed Moisturizer. It's a very hydrating moisturizer and it really plumps up your skin. It has chia seed that increases the water content on your skin, and it also has vitamin B12 for that added glow. This is a highly nourishing moisturizer guys, and it's very good for all skin types. I highly recommend this one. All the product links will be in the description box. Also, you'll see the link to the moisturizer in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. Now I'm using the Mars Micro Precision Brow Pencil, and I am gently filling in my brows. You guys know this is a very nice eyebrow pencil. It also has a spoolie brush, and yes, the moisturizer that I applied is so good before, if you apply it before makeup or in general. I really like that moisturizer. Now I'm using the Insight Primer. This is a very good primer to fill your pores, and makeup sits beautifully on top of it. I'm quickly blending in the primer on my T-zone, and whatever is left, I'll apply it on my eyelids and the rest of my face. Now I'm using the Insight HD Concealer in the shade LN10. Now this one is a light shade. I realized it while blending the concealer, but it's okay. We're going to apply eyeshadow on top of it. And this is a very glam makeup look. If you're going out for a date night or maybe a party, or whenever you want to wear this makeup, you can. It's up to you. You can also experiment with the colors. And I'm just setting in my concealer. I'm taking the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and taking a light brown shade and applying it in my crease area in windshield wiper motion. Now I'm taking the brown shade from the palette and applying it on my outer corners. Earlier I wanted to do a halo eye, so you will see that first I'll create a halo eye, and then I was not satisfied with it, so I just went ahead and did a cut crease kind of a look. So that's how I'm blending the brown eyeshadow on the outer V of my eye, and then I'm trying to fill in the brown eyeshadow from the inner corner of my eyes. I was trying to do a halo eye look, but somehow it did not look nice, so you're going to see how we changed that whole thing, right? So yes. So I've just wet my fingers, and then I've just taken this golden shade from the palette. And when you apply a makeup fixer on your brush or your finger, or you just wet it using water and you apply the color on your lids, the pigmentation transfers much better. And now I've highlighted my brow bone. I'm just applying a dark brown eyeshadow on my lash line to make it look a little thicker. And I don't want to do liner over here right now, but yes, this is how we are making a lash line look a little more dense. I've taken the Mars Blossom Foundation. All the product links would be in the description box below, and I'm just applying it using a foundation brush. Now I'm going to blend this later using a beauty blender to just make it smooth, but that's how I like to spread my foundation on my face. Next up, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder to just set my foundation. I'm really sorry, not the powder. But it's a very nice setting powder. Very nice setting powder. Applying the reddish and brownish shade on my lower lash line to just enhance the features on the lower lash line. Next up, I'm using an eyelash curler, and then I'll apply a mascara. I don't like wearing falsies much, my eyes really feel so heavy that I don't like falsies. Now you can see me. I'm applying the golden all over like a cut crease makeup look because I was not very happy with how the halo eye looked, and this is how we transition from one eye look to another. I'm applying the mascara and I'm using this Sugar Limitless or no, Up Curl Mascara. Sugar's Up Curl Mascara. It's a nice mascara, and you can see the eye looks much better now. Next up, I am using the Huda bronzer to just bronze my face, basically trying to create depth. And as you guys can see, I am bronzing up my cheekbones, and wherever I contour my face, I'm just applying a bronzer. I'm not that harsh contour person. I love bronzing my skin, and that's how I make my features look great. That's how I do it. Now I'm using the Face Shop water lip tint, and this is a highly moisturizing lip tint, guys. I really like this product. I also use it as a cheek tint. You can use it as a cheek tint or a lip tint or however you want. These products are very, very versatile. This provides very high color payoff, and it's like very shiny, glossy, looks very beautiful. And when I apply it as a cheek tint, it looks so natural. My cheeks look naturally pink. A flush of pink is there, and it looks very beautiful, and it's also very long lasting, Looks so gorgeous, right? I also use it as eyeshadow sometimes when I'm just doing a no makeup look, and it looks so good. Now I'll apply it on my cheeks also, lips also. Also, I provided the links for these products in the description box. Do not forget to check out the Face Shop website, and I just love this tint. It looks so gorgeous. To just play with the look, I'm going to apply a gloss on top of it and change a nude gloss on top of it and try and make it look pinkish, nudish kind of a glossy lip color. So that's how I complete the look. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, if you like today's makeup tutorial. I'm just trying to do more of makeup, but because I really enjoy doing makeup. Makeup is therapeutic for me. These days I'm so stressed with work pressure, but makeup just takes me out of that pressure and makes me so happy. So now I'm using the Mars eyeliner, and I'm just lining my eyes, just the outer corners basically. And this is the completed look, guys. Let me know in the comment section below, do you like it or not? Do not forget to hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.